Tired of battling dry, brittle hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine turning that damage around, transforming your strands into soft, shiny, and resilient locks you actually want to show off. That's exactly what Olaplex No. 6 promises. A patented system designed to repair even extreme hair damage while keeping your hair lightweight and natural. What makes Olaplex No. 6 stand out is its reparative power without weighing your hair down. This highly concentrated leave-in treatment smooths, conditions, and strengthens every strand, no matter your hair type. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in between, No. 6 works to reduce frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours, all while speeding up your blow-dry time. Plus, it softly defines air-dried curls, giving you that effortless, polished look without stiffness or residue. Here's a tip that takes it a step further. Mix a few drops of Olaplex No. 7 with a pea-sized amount of No. 6 before styling. This combo boosts smoothness and shine, delivering salon-quality results at home. Customers rave about how little product they need to see big changes. One user with very curly, frizzy hair shared that after trying countless products, Olaplex No. 6 was the only one that truly worked, leaving her hair manageable and noticeably healthier. If that's you, someone ready to ditch the frizz and dryness for good, Olaplex No. 6 is worth a look. It's not just about styling, it's about repairing your hair from the inside out. Softness, shine, strength, all in one bottle. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your hair care routine and enjoy the confidence that comes with hair that feels as good as it looks.